Oh, make a wish. What's your wish?
My wish is that Jara and me will always have playdates.
Oh, and what's your wish, Giara?
I wish that I and Trinity would always play dress up together.
Okay, blow your candles. Closer, Giara.
Trick candle.
Is that a trick candle?
I think your mommy gave you a trick candle.
Oh, that was funny.
Happy birthday, Jara and Trinity.
Happy birthday.